Alright, we're at my brother's new apartment. Well, it's not really that new, but he now lives here. So we got right here is this unit for his apartment. It's a General Electric unit. As you can see, it's currently running. And a bit of a hack job there. That does not look proper. Here's the data plate. The model number is BTB824A100A. Serial number is 244307653. I forget if these things have day manufacturer on them. I don't think so. Right over here is just the hair. As you can see, it's off. Is this thing straight cool or heat pump? I think these things might be heat pumps. Yeah, I think I see a reversing valve in there. I'm honestly not sure if this thing's a straight cool or heat pump. You can see it's a hair. Let's see here. I have not seen the model number anywhere on this thing. Manufacture date 2009. Model number and serial number. Model number is AA78600200AV97. Serial numbers. No wait. Model number is AA7860E0200A. Serial number is 9780203. And this is from 2009. Hey, it's actually me on my birthday. So yeah, just a couple old units here. Well, older units. That one's much newer, but the old General Electric original to this apartment complex. Over there's a couple Goodmans, but I'm not going to show them. So yeah, a couple of units. Right there's my brother's, right there's someone else's. Over and out.